awesome. That is very cool.
Pictures.
Oh, that's nice.
A Halloween book.
A Fancy Nancy.
Ooh, that's a good one. We don't have that one. What's in there? What does that say?
Owl. Owl.
Cute.
Owl. Owl.
Can you look at me and...
Owl.
Oh, there's more in there?
Yeah.
Oh, my word.
Wow.
Underwear.
Yay. We
Now
should
that
already
is
do
just
those.
disgusting.
Oh,
Yeah.
what do you tell Chuck and Brendan, Kale and Mara?
Thank you.
And Buster. Thank you, guys.